Here's the most awaited lens from Tamron. Whether you're into wildlife photography, you do street photography, or you like to do birding, the wait is finally over. Presenting Tamron's 150 to 500mm super telephoto lens for Sony E-mount. In today's video, we are going to do the unboxing and we are going to come up with the next one with a full detailed review. So let's go ahead and open the box. So here we have the box. Let's open it. So here are some user manuals. It is always good to go through them because you come to know a lot of detail about the product that you have bought. Here's the warranty card. I think this is a sticker for a serial number. And this, as you can see, is the Allen key for some adjustment that you can do later. The lens is nicely packed, secured. The lens cover has a plastic in between to avoid any kind of dust entering. So here's the lens hood, nice and solid. The lens also feels very premium. So at the first glance, we have these buttons on the lens. Here the vibration compensation mode. It has 3 modes which I'm going to explain in the detailed review video. Here we have the vibration compensation on and off switch. We also have autofocus and manual focus switch over here along with this switch. And here is the lens lock button. Here's the Arca Swiss tripod mount for mounting the lens on the tripod. By simply pushing the rubberized ring ahead, you're locking the lens in the current position. You can see the white line, which means the lens is locked in that position. When you put it back, it is unlocked. Now let me zoom and show you. Now if I keep it say at 200 and I push this ahead, the lens is locked. It is not going to zoom in or zoom out at all, which gives you a nice stability at that particular focal length. Now there is a good news for all of you. Tamron has recently announced extended warranty, which means on the standard 2-year warranty, you get 2-year warranty extra, and this lens is one of them. So isn't it a good news? I'm very excited to get the full review video for you. If you want me to cover something specific in my upcoming full detailed review video on this product, please mention your point in the comment box below. We have also reviewed the 1770 f 2.0 lens and the link is right here. You can watch that in the meanwhile.